Hi guys, it's Carol. Thank you for tuning in. I am so excited to let you guys know at last check we had 102 subscribers. So you guys know what that means. It's giveaway time. Like I said, I was gonna go live. I wanna say I'm gonna go live on Monday. And I'm not sure exactly what time it is on Monday, but I will be going live on Monday and I will be giving away we will be choosing the winner of the giveaway, as well as we will be reintroducing the gift that we're going to give away for the 200 mark. Thank you to everybody who asked their friends to subscribe to my channel. I really, really do appreciate it. You know, when you're trying to grow something from scratch, it takes a little bit of the entire village to help you do that, right? And I'm so grateful that you guys participated and you're helping me get there. So we knocked out one and let's go for number two. Don't forget, Monday. I want to say Monday evening after work, around dinner time, 6:30, 7 o'clock, somewhere around there. Um, yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right? Because I do have meetings on Mondays and stuff like that. But yes. So stay focused, Carol. So we're gonna give away our mystery box on Monday, ship it out right away, and then we will reintroduce the 200th giveaway. Can't wait to see you guys. Have a great day, and once again, thank you so much for supporting.